Hi, I'm in Amsterdam right now. I just came back from my trip to the United States, and in August, while I was away, they introduced vegan hot dogs to IKEA, and right now I'm just going to try them, and I'm taking you with me to give you an opinion of what I think of them. So yeah, that's it, and I hope they are good because they're like 50 cents the hot dog. So let's say you want to buy 6. Whoa. So let's say you want to buy 6, you pay like 3 euros, which is amazing. Okay, so I tried them and they're really good. They taste so healthy because they only have like healthy ingredients, so they are really good. We ordered like 8 in total for each, so we're in a food coma right now. And then we went to the IKEA like food store and we bought a couple of things. Now we're going home. It's so like peaceful. Well, the Netherlands in general is a peaceful country. Okay, funny thing, actually not fun, it's kind of sad, but what happened is I came here with my sister for the Ed Sheeran concert, and we were not allowed in because we bought the tickets from Viagogo, and we didn't have our names in our tickets. There were someone else's names, and they didn't let us in because they said that no, you didn't purchase these tickets, even though we did. So yeah, I really hope we're going to see Ed Sheeran in concert another time. Okay, and something else that I got from IKEA are those salt potato chips, 2 bags, and I also got this that I really like. Every time I go to IKEA, I pick up a bottle. Is their apple cider. I also got one for my friend because she likes it as well. So yeah, that's all that I got. And okay. And to end this video, I really recommend the veggie dogs from IKEA. I'm not sure if they have it in the United States, but I'm pretty sure they are in all IKEAs in Europe. So if you wanna try them, I recommend them. They are really good. They taste really healthy, and yeah, that's it for this video. And I hope you like it. And bye.